Hey guys, in this video I got a package right here. Well, it's two laptops. I bought off Shopee for whopping 46 ringgit. Well, here's the listing of it. I bought the CQ40 and the Acer expired. Wait, yeah, Acer expired 4736Z. Here's the description on it. No RAM, no storage, and no charger, as expected. But anyway, apparently the compat is untested, so I went ahead and bought a brand new charger for it. Hopefully it works. And the Acer has trouble installing Windows, so yeah, hopefully I can get them to work. So let's unbox it and see what we got. Ooh, two boxes in one package. They're heavy. So here's the first one. Ooh, it's the Acer expired. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It's in pretty good condition. Oh, wait, it does have a working battery. Wow, I'm surprised. Well, it's probably dead right now. So yeah, let's put it aside. Oh man, it's not the original charger. Well, that's unfortunate. I was hoping it would come with an original charger, but yeah, that's that. So let's move on. Ooh, it's that compact. Let's check out its condition. Ooh, surprisingly mint. I mean, the lid is quite scratched up, but it looks surprisingly mint. I have a good feeling this laptop will work. So yeah, let's see. Alright, got them plugged in. And let's see, do they have any RAM first? Oh man, there's no RAM. What about hard drive? Yeah, no hard drive either. At least they included a caddy. That's that. What about compact? Wow, once again, there's no RAM. Wait, is the battery actually original? Oh, yep, it is. I think it is. Wait, actually, maybe not. But we'll see if it works. Let's check that hard drive. No hard drive either. What did I expect? So let's just shop some and then we'll test them. Alright, found some RAM and hard drive. They actually included hard drive screws for the CQ40, but it's missing one of them, so yeah, could be useful. But hopefully this Acer supports DDR3. Oh no, it doesn't. Wait, I thought it does. Well, I only got one stick, so yeah, I guess I'll test them one by one. Let's shove this in. Now I can shove the hard drive inside. Ooh, wobbly hinge. Let's see how. Oh, never mind. Oh man. Lights blinking. Oh man, it's serious. It doesn't work with a 65-watt charger. Well, that's great. Very amazing. Yeah, I'll have to get a new charger to test that out. So that's unfortunate. And I can do the exact same thing on this laptop. Let's see. Does it actually work? Yeah, it's actually charging. Now let's turn it on. Oh, it lights out. Oh wait, that hard drive I put actually has Windows on it, so yeah. Oh, it blue screen. Let's just go to BIOS. So it does actually keep the date. That's nice. Let's try setting to ID. Yeah, I think that install is corrupt. So let's just try and get a copy of Windows installed. Let me grab my pen drive for a bit. Got my pen drive. Let's plug it in. So according to the seller, it doesn't like installing from pen drive, but let's see. Doesn't look like it's liking it USB so far. Yeah, let's just unplug it. Good thing I have a copy of Windows 7 right here. I mean, it's Chinese version, but it should do. Let's turn that on. Now, where's the Domini drive? Hopefully it reads. Yeah, it's definitely reading it. Yeah, looks like it's struggling. Got to clean the lens out. Alright, I cleaned the lens out. Let's give it another try. Oh, maybe not. But it's definitely struggling. So yeah, I just swap its drive. Alright, I stole this drive from the compact, so hopefully it works. Actually, let's give it a clean too. It probably needs it. There we go. Let's actually also plug it in. It's definitely reading for sure. I booted straight to Windows. Weird. And just say in the BIOS. Oh, it's disabled. Let's enable boot menu. It's stuck for some reason. Oh, never mind. Let's boot to a DVD drive. Oh, that's weird. Isn't reading. Maybe I need to wipe the hard drive first. Who knows? Yeah, maybe that could work. So I tried non-working drive and wow, it just works. Very surprising. Anyway, let's get installing, I guess. And wow, it surprisingly installed. Well, I mean the battery is full, but Windows it's complaining about replacing it. So yeah, I mean it's still working battery. So oh wow, that's dropping fast. Wow. But anyway, I mean it's pretty fast. Oh, I think the cable's kind of broken, not too sure, but yeah, it does work. So let's check out specs. A Pentium T4300 64-bit. Wow. And yeah, this is it. So let's get my DVD off and then we'll install Windows 10. Okay, let's just unplug that. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Oh, it's not detecting it. Oh, never mind. Well, I better plug into my charger. Wow, that drains really fast. There we go. So yeah, let's install Windows 10. So, time lapse. Alright, so this laptop, I got Windows 10 LTSC installed on it. Well, it's painfully slow for some reason, but yeah, it's a working laptop now. Well, it does have some minor issues like the screen does dead. Wait, it's tilted. Wait, and just a hinge of it, and yeah, this USB port is completely broken. Good thing it's in a separate board so I can actually replace it. But other than that, it's a usable laptop now. Although the battery lasts like 5 minutes, and I just realized I used the wrong goddamn charger. No wonder why it isn't turned on. So let's turn down and plug the other adapter in. There we go. It doesn't turn on. Well, with the correct adapter this time. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh. Oh yeah, it does turn on. Oh no, look at the screen toe. But it does turn on. That's the main thing. Let's go to BIOS. Wait, actually, I pressed the wrong key. Right there. Call to door T5600. Wow, not bad. Let's go to BIOS. I mean, the screen mostly works fine. There's just some flickering lines. Doesn't look like it will get worse, so yeah. But I'll probably still change the display of it. I mean, I wouldn't want to sell that, would I? But yeah, it looks like it fully works. So, well, I ran out of hard drive apparently. So yeah, I'll test it after I get a hard drive installed in it. So yeah. So yeah, this is it. Well, the Acer is quite slow, but I mean it's usable. Well, try resetting a connector, still does the same thing. And yeah, the battery doesn't hold very good charge. I mean, it does last for a bit, but it will shut off eventually. So let's just plug it back in. One point. And for compact, I did test it with a Windows 2 Go, and it appears to work fine. Well, except the battery and DVD drive. It's like really finicky, but yeah, that's that. It's basically unusable. But I mean, it does work. Let's check out specs. Call to do 2 GB of DDR2 RAM. And yeah, that's that. The speakers works properly too, instead of only being one channel working. So I guess this is it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.